we're back to the Asian International Rubik's Cube Competition Finals. I'm here, your host, Tom Robinson.
And I'm Gary Science-Free. We just saw contestant Justin Cheng of Hong Kong complete a cube in a world record time of 31.2.
Amazing! But that may change. He may not become the world record holder because today we have Aaron Wong of Taiwan here to try to stop Justin and take him away of his first place time of 31.2.
That's right, Tom. Aaron seems to be a very strong rookie. Alright, Tom, let's check this out.
How about that?
Because a piece fell off the cube, the judges are not sure if this win is legitimate. If Aaron's time is good, he will stand as the new world champion with a time of 31 seconds. And the results are in. The judges have decided. The time is good. Aaron Wong is